Nothing's syncing up. This is a mess.
We're losing coherence. Too much drift in the context.
Initiating anchor.
Anchor?
W-anchor protocol coming online.
Chains engaged, holding the line.
Stability locked.
Huh. That's...
Commits live. Pushing now.
Got it. Countdown still holding at 8:54.
Feels small here, but it reaches everywhere.
That's the work.
Hey there! Just pushing some code before my evening ride. Nothing like a little TypeScript with your fika, right? Build and deploy. Boom! Tack för att du tittade. See you on the road.
That's the last piece. Watch it fall into place. Build complete. Done.